Hello viewers. Today I am going to tell you how to convert your file into a PDF. Let's start. First come to canva.com and click here, upload a file, choose file, and this file I need to convert into a PDF. Use in a new design and select this size you want. I want this size A4 portrait. Okay. When file is uploaded and opened, go to the share button, click to download, click here PDF standard and PDF print. I need a PDF standard file. I need flatten PDF. Just download. PDF. I'm save this file here. Start downloading. Now come to the down. This is the file. Click and convert in a PDF file. So subscribe my channel, like, share and comment if thank you. Goodbye.